Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn in how to set up automated responses on Instagram business page. So for this video, we are going to use an online tool, which is ManyChat. So you just have to open any of your web browser and then just have to type out ManyChat.com and you'd be directed to this page. Now you just have to simply click on the get started option. Okay, that's right. And then you can continue with your Google or continue with your Facebook account. So if you selected Facebook, make sure that you have logged into the same web browser using your Facebook account so that you'd be able to see this section. So after that one, if you cannot find your account right here, just click on the add new account section and then click on the Instagram and just have to follow the instructions in order for you to log into your Instagram. So right here, I'm just going to use this Facebook account and it will be directed to our dashboard. Now that we're here, we just have to simply click on the automation section at the left side of our screen. So this one. And then right here, just click on the add new automation at the top right. Okay. And then here, you just have to select the start from scratch option at the top right of your screen. And then right here, just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then just have to add your trigger for the first step. So select Instagram after that. And then here I'm going to select when a user sends a message or user comments on your post or reel. For example, which post or reel do you want to use in automation? So this is for step number one, and I would like to use this post. Now just click on continue. And then here just have to type out your keyword. So what will start your DM automation? So for example, wow, nice, where, and then just click on continue. And then would you like to set up a public reply in the feed? So you just have to select this one. And then you can also add your new replies right here. And then just click on save after that. Now for your next step that we are already done with our trigger. So just select Instagram. And then right here, we can now type out our greeting message, welcome message, the series of instructions for our customers. So let me just type it out right here. Okay, so for our first step, we have our welcome message. So let me just remove this one. And then for our next one is I'm going to type out right here add a link, or for the last one, we are going to add a closing message. So if we are going to preview this one, this is how it's going to look like. Now you just have to set this live. Of course, you have to subscribe to a plan or activate the pro trial in order for you to set this automation live.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.